Welcome to our journey through the vibrant cultures of the ASEAN region, where tradition meets modernity in a dazzling display. This exploration celebrates the rich cultural diversity at the heart of Southeast Asia. The Association of Southeast Asian Nations, or ASEAN, forms a complex mosaic of ethnicities, religions, and languages, each adding to the region's dynamic identity. From Cambodia's serene temples to Indonesia's lively markets, we witness a blend of tradition and innovation that captures the ASEAN spirit. Here, cultural diversity is the cornerstone, evident in how communities live, celebrate, and interact, embracing unity in diversity. As we uncover the resilience of traditions amid modernization and the collective efforts to preserve heritage, we prepare for a deeper understanding of ASEAN's cultural expanse, highlighting the significant roles of language, food, art, and innovation in shaping the future. Diving deeper, we encounter ASEAN's linguistic diversity, a tapestry woven from hundreds of languages. This linguistic variety speaks to both the region's staggering variety and its unity. Languages act as cultural beacons, encapsulating traditions, beliefs, and shared histories, thereby enriching our appreciation of ASEAN's cultural depth. The languages form a mosaic, underlining each community's identity while enriching the collective ASEAN identity. Through this exploration, we ponder the role of language in shaping perceptions of identity and heritage, preparing us to delve into the profound significance of traditions and rituals next. As we meander through ASEAN's cultural landscape, we behold the power of traditions and rituals. These practices, from water festivals symbolizing joy and renewal, to harvest rituals thanking the earth's bounty, pulse with life. They are the essence of ASEAN's cultural heritage, linking the past to the present and future. In understanding these traditions, we not only appreciate the uniqueness of each culture, but also discover the shared threads binding the ASEAN mosaic. Our journey ahead will explore the delicate balance between preserving these rich traditions and embracing modern influences. At ASEAN's core lies a shared set of values and a dedication to regional cooperation, weaving together diverse traditions into a unified tapestry. This commonality, beyond cultural differences, anchors ASEAN's unity. It's a partnership built not just on geographical proximity, but on shared aspirations, showcasing how cultural diversity strengthens rather than divides. This segment highlighted how values and cooperation underpin the ASEAN journey, setting the stage for us to explore the realms of culinary arts and education as expressions of this unity. Our expedition takes us into the heart of ASEAN's culinary world, where food articulates stories of heritage and innovation. Each dish, from Thailand's spicy curries to the Philippines' adobo, reveals the region's culinary richness. Beyond their flavors, these dishes embody cultural expression, celebrating ASEAN's diversity and unity. As we savor these culinary delights, we witness the intricate blend of traditions and common values, preparing us to explore how ASEAN nations navigate the global stage while remaining true to their roots. In the modern ASEAN landscape, the continuity of traditional practices amidst globalization exemplifies resilience. From Indonesia's batik to the Philippines' Kadayawan festival, traditions thrive, evolving yet maintaining their core essence. This segment sheds light on how ASEAN communities cherish their heritage, ensuring traditions adapt creatively to modern influences. The fusion of old and new sets a dialogue for our next exploration into the role of art in reflecting and shaping ASEAN's cultural identity. Art in ASEAN bridges history and contemporaneity, offering a narrative that resonates with the region's spirit. From ancient temple carvings to contemporary art challenging perceptions, art reflects societal changes and continuities. It's a dynamic conduit for expressing identity, embracing the past, critiquing the present, and imagining the future. Through art, we understand ASEAN's shared history and aspirations, leading us to appreciate the role of environmental stewardship in the cultural narrative. ASEAN's deep connection with nature underpins its cultural ethos, blending environmental conservation with cultural identity. This reverence for nature manifests in efforts to preserve diverse ecosystems, mirroring the region's cultural values. As communities work to safeguard their natural heritage, this stewardship reinforces ASEAN's cultural bonds, highlighting a unified commitment to protecting our shared planet. Next, we'll investigate how education and innovation further enrich this complex cultural fabric. At the intersection of ASEAN's growth lies the synergy between education and innovation. These elements illuminate the region's cultural preservation amidst rapid technological advancement. From digital archives safeguarding languages to VR experiences revitalizing ancient rites, education and innovation ensure cultural longevity, blending heritage with progress. This exploration underscores how technological advancements nurture the ASEAN identity, setting a foundation for a future where tradition and innovation coexist harmoniously. As our journey concludes, we reflect on ASEAN's narrative, a vibrant fusion of cultures, traditions, and values. This exploration highlighted the essence of unity and diversity, the cornerstone of the ASEAN spirit. From communal rituals to cutting-edge innovations, the spirit of cooperation transcends borders, promising a future ripe with possibility. Though our expedition through Southeast Asia ends, the ASEAN story endures, an ongoing testament to the power of shared culture and interconnectedness. The tapestry of ASEAN continues to evolve, a narrative of unity, diversity, and shared destiny that we carry forward with us.